In today's video, I am going to talk about how to make money with YouTube Shorts with no face or voice in 2022. This is a channel called Smart Home Gadgets that is doing the same thing and gain more than 3.54 million subscribers just by uploading short videos. These are the short videos that we want to replicate and make money on. The most important fact is that this channel is created on April 12, 2021. And in just 1 year it gained 3.54 million subscribers and billions of views. Just think about it, how much potential this kind of channel has. Basically, in their short videos, they are showing some smart kitchen products which can make their audience work easier. If I sort their videos to the most popular, you can see that a lot of their videos crossed more than 50 million or even 100 million views, which is insane. And today I am going to show you everything in step by step, how you can find these products, how you can edit them to make shorts, and how to monetize your shorts and make at least $10,000 every month. But before that, if you are new here, consider subscribing to discover new online money-making ideas daily. Okay, first let's see how they make their short videos and make money. If I open this short video, they show some smart home gadgets and kitchen appliances in this video. Pay close attention here. If I click on these three dots and then click on the description, you can see the product with buying link. Basically, here they are promoting some smart gadget type products from Amazon. So, mainly they earn money from Amazon's affiliate programs because the ad revenue for YouTube Shorts is pretty low. And trust me, you can't even imagine how much money they make in this way per month. If I go to their channel analytics, you can see that by just uploading 255 shorts, they receive 155 million views this month. Over the course of a year, this channel has published over 3,000 short videos and received 2.73 billion views. If they only earn from YouTube advertising, let's assume they get $100 for 1 million views, then multiply $100 by 155, and you'll see they earn more than $15,500 from YouTube ad revenue. If we include Amazon's affiliate commission, they may easily make between $30,000 to $50,000 per month from this channel. Now let's see how we can make the same short videos and start making money. For this, the first step is we need to download Internet Download Manager. Just search on Google Internet Download Manager and you will find this website. Although this is not free software, it charges some bucks, but you can try its free trial for 30 days. Personally, I use this software to download everything from the internet. It costs $11 for a 1-year license or $24 for a lifetime license. If you don't have this much money, you can just search YouTube for Internet Download Manager crack, and you'll find a lot of tutorials on how to use this software crack version. But I don't recommend it. You should buy this from its official website. Okay, in the second step, we need to find smart gadget product videos. For this, you need to search on Google for the best Amazon selling products in 2022, and you'll discover this page where Amazon showcases all of its best-selling products. However, in order to generate money from the Shorts channel, you must create videos in a specific niche. You may get a lot of niche-related products from here. Amazon sells mostly home and kitchen, health and household, and baby items. For the time being, I am focusing on home and kitchen products. These are the top-selling products in the home and kitchen niche. We need to select these products as they are already proven and can bring more sales for us. What you need to do is choose a product, and I've chosen this one, the Zule Milk Frother for coffee. This product video is available here. These are all of the videos featuring this product. Here, we can use the Internet Download Manager to download this product. That is why an Internet Download Manager must be purchased. Simply download this video, and you don't need to worry about any copyright. By uploading the video, I will prove that they will not give any copyright later in the video. Just stay with me till the end, and you will learn everything you need to make money from YouTube Shorts. We successfully download this video from Amazon. For making 15 to 30 second YouTube Shorts, this one video is enough. But you can download and compile 2 to 3 videos. Now, in the third step, I will show you how to edit this video to avoid copyright issues. For editing this video, I use Filmora 9 as this is my main video editing software for making YouTube videos. But this is a paid software. For now, you can use free video editing software called OpenShot. You can download this software from here, and it is compatible with almost all operating systems such as Windows, Linux, or iOS. You can simply download this form here. So, now I am showing you how to edit this using Filmora 9. First and foremost, you need to import the video on Filmora. After that, simply drag and drop it into the timeline, and then select this Full HD ratio. After that, detach its audio from the video. Always remember, you need to remove the audio and use your own audio. Then change the project aspect ratio from here. Now the current ratio is 16:9 widescreen ratio, but we need to change this to a 9:16 portrait ratio, as YouTube Shorts ratio is portrait. Now right-click on the mouse and select crop and zoom. Then from here, select the 9:16 ratio, and then click on OK. Now, simply crop this portion from the video, and our short video is almost ready. But now, we need to add a background music or a voiceover explaining what happened in the video. For audio, you can search for YouTube Audio Library, and you will come over to this page where you will find a lot of copyright-free background music from YouTube itself. Just listen these music one by one, and the one that seems to you perfect for your video background music, simply download that from here. But it is better if you add a voiceover explain how this product will help them. If you can't voiceover by yourself, you simply search on Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. And this is the official text-to-speech website from Google. If I open this, you can see that text-to-speech convert text into natural-sounding speech using an AI powered by Google AI technologies. If you are a new customer, you will also get $300 free credits while joining. Now, from here, click on Demo and then just paste your script here. After that, you need to choose a voiceover from here. You can also select the language from here, and after that click on Speak It. And this AI voice will start recording the voice. But if you can voice over by yourself and mention about your affiliate product, then your conversion rate will increase insanely. But for now, I am importing a background music. Simply drag the background music and crop this according to the video. Okay, our video is almost ready to export. Simply click on Export button, then change the file name and click on Export, and it will start exporting the video. Okay, now let's see how our short video is looking like. Although I will make it within 5 minutes, but it looks professional. And if you spend some more time to edit the video, it will become much better and engaging. Now comes to the final step, which is how to promote our affiliate offers. But before that, if you feel you have gotten value so far, consider subscribing. For promoting affiliate products, you need to search for Amazon Associate, and you will come over to this page. You can see here how Amazon Affiliate Program works. First and foremost, you need to sign up here. Then you need to recommend Amazon products, and if your product sells from your recommendation, you will earn commission up to 10% on purchases. So just click on Sign Up. From here, you can sign in, but if you don't have an account, you can create one from here. Simply fill all the information and create a free Amazon Associate account. After creating an Amazon Associate account, from this section, you will get a product promotional link. What you need to do is, you need to create a brand new YouTube channel, and then find a searchable keyword, something like Amazon Best-Selling Products 2022. Now, simply upload your short video and give it a relevant title. Now, in the description section, we need to write a description like them. Just open their description and copy this text, product with buying link. Then you need to copy the product name and paste it over here. And then you need to copy your product affiliate link from here and paste it over here. After that, publish your video. You can see here our short video is uploaded, and it will not get any copyright claim or anything. Now what you need to do is, you need to also mention the product in the pinned comment. Simply comment the product with the link and comment down. Now from the 3-dot, click on Pin, and it will highlight this comment for your fans by pinning it to the top of the comments section. Okay, I'll walk you through all of the steps and methods for making money from YouTube Shorts. Now you must do some research and start posting short videos to YouTube in order to make money from YouTube. That's it for now. If you want to discover new online money-making ideas, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel and turn on notification icon. See you in the next video.